Hi students, our next topic was discovery of neutron. Okay, we know that isotopes of hydrogen. One is H11, another one is H12, another one is H13. H11 is called proton, H12 deuteron or deuterium, and this one tritium. H13 is tritium, H12 is deuterium, and H1 is proton. Okay, all these isotopes have one proton, but see the mass numbers are 1 2 3 now. That means their masses ratios are 1 is to 2 is to 3 are not. So clearly for deuterium and tritium we have one proton, and in addition with there is some neutral matter is required, which is multiples of some basic unit. Otherwise all are same now, because it has one proton. So in addition to one proton it is 2 and 3, their masses ratios are 2 is to 3. That means they should have certain neutral matter, which one is integral multiple of some basic unit. Okay, Chadwick is observed this hypothesis, and by applying the law of conservation of energy and conservation of momentum, he concluded that yes, within the nucleus with proton there is some neutral particles also present. Okay, they have no charge and they have the mass which is nearly equal to the mass of the proton. Okay, these neutral particles have no charge and their mass is nearly equal to the mass of the proton. He found experimentally, and he named as this particle is nothing but neutron. So who invented the neutron? Chadwick. In 1932, he invented this one and he got the Nobel Prize for discovery of the neutron. Okay. Now, the experimental arrangement of the Chadwick is discussed now. So, in this experimental setup, he was taken one radioactive element named as polonium. What is this? Polonium, PO. From the polonium radioactive nuclei, alpha particles are released. Okay, they have certain amount of energy, nearly 5 MeV energy. Now these are collimated by means of the slit. So whenever they are passing through the slits, they becomes as a fine pencil of B. Okay, now these are bombarded with the beryllium layers. They are bombarded with beryllium layers. This is entirely placed in one evacuated chamber. Okay, this is evacuated chamber. Now The radiations are released from the beryllium or passes through the paraffin block. What is a paraffin block? Paraffin block is rich with hydrogen. Okay, it consisting of more number of hydrogen atoms. So whenever they are collide, then from this paraffin block, high energetic protons are released. Protons have positive charge now. That's why they are sent through the ionization chamber through a window. Now in the ionization chamber, they took some gas. Now these charged protons are ionizes the gas. Due to that, some ionizer current is developed. This ionizer current is first amplified by using of amplifier, increases strength. After that, they counted the amount of the ionizer current with the help of electrometer. This is the experimental setup for the discovery of the neutron. Okay. See one more time. Here they consider one radioactive element, polonium. From this, alpha particles are released with an energy of 5 MeV. They are bombarded with the beryllium layers. From beryllium layers, certain particles are released. Those particles are passes through the paraffin block. Now protons released. These protons are passes through the ionization chamber. Then these protons ionizes the gas. Ionization current is developed. That ionization current is measured with the help of electrometer. Okay. During this process, what happens? See, alpha particle. Alpha particle is nothing but indicated by doubly ionized helium plus. Here I am considering one beryllium isotope Be49. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 atomic number consisting of carbon now. So carbon 9 plus 4, 13. This is further splits into C612 plus nitrogen plus certain amount of energy. Okay. So C612 is the carbon. Here this is neutron. What is N01? Neutron. So from the beryllium nuclei which are released, sir? Neutrons. So neutrons are released. Initially they don't know what are the nature of the particles. That's why they are named as the beryllium radiations. After that invention of neutron, they said about as neutrons. Clear? This is the experimental setup for the Chadwick. Now let us discuss about the properties of neutron. The first property, neutrons are uncharged particles. Neutrons are uncharged particles. So whenever they are uncharged particles, they are not affected by the electric and magnetic fields. Second point, due to their unchargedness, they have high penetrating power and low ionization power. They have high penetrating power and low ionization power. And the fast moving neutrons are slowed down when they are sent through the heavy water, paraffin, or graphite. So when you are passing these fast moving neutrons through heavy water or paraffin or graphite, they are slow down the neutrons. Okay, fast moving neutrons are now slowed down. And Next one, their masses is nearly equal to the mass of the proton, and original mass of the neutron was found by 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kg or 1.008665 atomic mass units. Okay, and the last point was neutrons are stable inside the nucleus, but whenever they come outside like this, they are unstable. Okay, and their maximum lifetime is 1000 seconds only. Just 1000 seconds. After that, it is dies. Okay, so N01 is generally splits into proton, electron, and antineutrino. Okay, 1 minus 1 0 na, 1 plus 0 1. So equation satisfied na. So neutron is splits into proton, electron, and antineutrino. These are the properties of the neutron. Okay, so neutron discovered by Chadwick in 1932. This is the experimental setup. One equation related to the discovery of neutron. After that, properties of the neutron. Thank you.